Welcome to Project Lead the Way Miniature Train Project, assembly of the train. So we need to put it together. Assembly standard, great, and may not even let me start this. It's going to ask me for pieces right away, I think. Nope, it'll let me. But before I start, like I keep saying in every video, save everything. Now it doesn't show all the other files. I have the other 9 pieces here, but I am going to go with miniature train project assembly, and then I'm going to put my name on there. Good habit, highly recommend it. So let's place, and gotta go find my file. There's my miniature train project, and look, everything's there. It's kind of nice. So I need the train body, and it shows up really weird. Just click it and hit OK. I actually would prefer to look at it from that perspective, but whatever. It may look slightly different than the train I put together. I actually filleted all the edges per their instructions. You don't have to. It's just something I did. Now, I like to place everything at the same time, but that bothers people, so I'm going to put things in one at a time. So there's the stack. I click on it, and I just hit OK. Now I want to constrain it, and this is an insertion. So this right here says insert. So I'm going to put that in there, and it does. I'm going to cancel it because I got a minor problem here. I need to know where it's going to finish. So when I constrain it, I'm actually going to do a mate with the bottom of this hole. That, and I'm going to do the bottom of this, but I just realized I forgot something very important. I have not grounded my main piece, so I have to ground that piece, otherwise everything moves around. So one more time. By the way, for those who are like, wow, this is all over the place, yeah, that's, it's the way it works. I wish it was nice and clean and neat, but it isn't. Alright, so now it's at the right level. I actually moved it in there, but now I'm going to do an insertion. I'm going to say put that in there. Cancel the operation. I think it actually inserted it perfectly the first time. I'm going to free move it a little bit. Nah, I shouldn't do that. It's in, done. If I drag this around, free move this thing, it doesn't move because it's grounded. Yeah, there it is. I'm going to change my home view, set current view as home, fixed fit to view. So whenever I hit home, I get to see it. Alright, let's put the Cowcatcher on the front. Place. Cowcatcher. Open. Click on it and hit OK. Now I'm going to free rotate this because I want it to be kind of close. I want it to, yeah, there. I want it to actually look like it's going to fit in there. And I might even free move it a little bit. Good. Because if I can't put it too close because then I can't actually do the constraining, but I need to get it somewhat close. So let us constrain with an insertion this time. I think I should have just done insertion for the other piece. I think it would have worked just fine. And do the top one. You and you. Don't forget to hit apply. Often forgotten. And let's see if I can do it again. You and you. Apply, and it's locked in there. Alright, those 3 holes went in. We're good to go. Try and drag it. Cancel out of this. Try and drag it around. Cancel out of this. Doesn't go anywhere. This does go places, so let's insert this constraint. Oh, I get it. Now it's got the blue one up there, and I want the top of this circle. Cancel. constrain, insert. I want the bottom one in the bottom. Apply. There, now that's not going to move when I try and drag it around. It's locked in. Good. It's a good way to check for things. Alright, let's put the wheels on. Yeah, might as well. They're kind of challenging. Cancel. Place. Need 4 wheels. Only have 1 wheel in our model. Who cares? Just 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This funky peg goes on the outside, so we're just going to take these and rotate them a little bit. That, and like that. And now when I go to constrain them, I'm going to do a insertion. I don't know if this is going to work. I want the back circle. Yeah, you, and I want you to line up. Looks like it worked. Don't forget to hit apply. Love that color. And now, same thing, the back circle. You, apply. Gotta spin this thing around so I can see the other side. Gonna move this one down. I'm gonna free move it, bring it down here so it's a little closer. The free move is something a lot of people get frustrated with. They're like, it's not working, it's not working, it's not working. Well, you have to free move it to get it close. The computer is pretty smart, but it's not that smart. Alright, so again, I want to insert the back circle, perfect, and that circle, apply. The back circle, there it is, and that circle, apply. Notice how I'm using the center mouse button, the roller, not the button, the actual roller. It is a button. It pops up and down, and shift to constantly rotate this and look and see if I know what I'm doing. So gotta be smart about that. Let us bring in the pegs. So those are the axle pegs. Need 4. Zoom in and free rotate them. Something like that. I'll free move these, put them out here. Then I'll free rotate them. And while I'm here, I'll put these in first. A little tricky, not sure what I'm doing here. I don't like these pictures. Okay, constrain and insert again. I want this circle right, yeah, right there, to mate up with this circle right. Hard to see. There. Apply. So I just pegged it in there. So again, this circle, notice how important it is to be able to maneuver these things around right there. Applying to that one, apply. Gotta spin this thing around so I can see what's going on. That side looks pretty good. Alright, so insert is on, you and you, apply, don't forget apply, you and you, apply. Train's looking good. Let's put the linkage arm on. Oh, and then we got pegs put on there. So place linkage arm. Got one here and one here. They're symmetrical front to back, so it doesn't have to be perfect. And we want to insert again, constrain, insert, and we want that circle in the front, that one right there. Don't forget apply. And back here we want that circle right there on there. Apply. Let's see how it did. Nice. Now, backside's not going to be perfect. We really want this to be the same. Let's see how I did real quick. Can I make the trains move? The wheels move? Kill. I'm going to try and put it so that it's facing forward. That should do. I'm sure there's a way to be more precise, but that's all I got in me. Here we go. Constrain, insert. Can't see what I'm doing. Need the back, that one, and that one. Don't forget to hit apply. Insert. This is almost too good. I should rotate this and get it out of the way. No, it's fine. The back circle, there it is. U. And where to go? Apply. Like I said, I can make the wheels move now. So I'm just going to pull this forward so that they're both looking similar. Darn, that's a sharp train. Haven't saved in ages. Always save. Oh, I forgot. I got to bring in my axle pegs. I'll do those in a minute. Let's bring in the hitch magnet. So that's this one. Let's turn this sideways. It's over there somewhere. I'm going to do something I haven't done before. Okay. I'm going to hit the hitch peg at the same time. Okay, let's see how this looks. Oh, geez, they're way the heck over here. Let's free move them. Closer. This thing's not really working out for me. And that is going to have to do. Yeah, we'll take it. I'm going to free rotate this one because I don't think it's going to work otherwise. That's better. And then I'm going to free rotate this one. Like that. I'm hoping these circles match up. Constrain. If not, I can do something else. U and missed. Cancel. Never go too fast. Inner hole. Got it. Got it. Cancel. Forgot to hit insert. Constrain. Insert. That one. And that one. Apply. And one more time. That one. And that one. Apply. Nice shiny little magnet. You can see a reflection in it. Not. Last but not least, place the hitch peg. No, axle peg. No. Linkage peg. Little baby one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Rotate it. Constrain it by inserting it. Can't quite see it, but it's a little circle into that. Alright. Constrain, no. Free rotate, yes. Turn it. Constrain. Insert. U. Apply. Let's go do the other side. I am going to free move this so it's out near where it's supposed to be. And then I'm going to free rotate it. And I'm going to free rotate this one too. Okay. Constrain. Insert. Now there's that little one and the little one. There's the little one. There's the little one. Apply. Sure helps that I built this properly. All the pieces, I mean. And save it. That's it, we're done. Got a working train. I would drag some of these parts, see if they move. And I don't just mean like that. Oh, that's funny. I would just drag each piece to see if they're constrained. I think I got them all, but I'll leave it to you to double check. So, save your work and you're done. Good luck.